Welcome to Millbrook Railroad. We're at the big train show in West Springfield, Massachusetts, the Amherst Railway Society train show, and here is the Wiscasset, Waterville, and Farmington Railway, and the smoke box to what has to be my favorite little 2-foot gauge engine, number 10, which was, I think, a plantation engine at first.
Yeah, it was a 30-inch. It was a 30-inch sugar plantation locomotive. Then, when the sugar plantation shut down, it got bought by Edaville in South Carver, Mass. They re-gauged it to 24-inch gauge, 2-foot, and then they found it was too small for their loop. It did a stint at Pleasure Island in Wakefield, Mass. And then when that closed down, it went back to Edaville, and they used it as was it a stationary boiler?
They used a stationary boiler to run a generator during the energy crisis.
During the energy crisis of the 70s. And then it kind of sat until it was sold to us in mid-90s?
I would say mid-90s.
I believe it was mid-90s.
Yeah. So you're rebuilding this engine now?
Yep.
So what's the status on that?
So it currently ran in 2015 for our Victorian Christmas event when 9 was first brought back into service. So we've been steadily having progress done on it, but it was slow at first. And within the last few years, we've had a dedicated group of younger volunteers making steady, constant progress on it. What you see here was the result of about 2 or 3 months worth of work getting everything ready. Had to make a new hinge bracket for the headlight. All this bracketing is all newly made. This is from the old. This bracketing for the platform, that's off the old smoke box. This was our latest project. This is all forged out of one piece. That took about a day and a half to get the handrail complete. I'd say we're probably right around right at the 50% complete mark. Main locomotive machine, they've been making steady progress on the boiler. We've been working alongside with them, helping them as needed. But the wrapper sheet and the barrel and the backhead and the throat sheet are all riveted together, and they're currently fitting up the firebox inner.
All right. Well, it sounds like some real progress.
Yes.
I look forward to seeing it done.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it being done and having it back in service. I'm not the only one when I say we miss number 10.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and we're at the booth of the Bridgton and Saco River Railroad Museum at the Amherst Railway Society train show. And here with me is...
My name is Adam Cook. I'm the vice president of the museum.
All right. So tell me about where you're at right now and where you expect to be in the next however long you're projecting to.
So right now where we are in terms of permitting and everything else, we're on the tail end of our permitting process for our initial structures in Bridgeton. We just actually have to communicate with our engineering firm and go through one last round with the planning board to finalize provisions there. The town has signed off on early land clearing on the property, which we started this past November. We're currently looking to build not only the rail yard and museum complex on Home Run Road, but build about 1.5 miles from our location down to downtown Bridgeton again. To that goal, we're working with the town. We are now on several of the long-term planning advisory committees for the town, looking to rebuild a section of the narrow gauge.
That is awesome. Any idea how long it'll be long-term, potentially?
Long-term projects would be the fact that a safe estimate, I'd say, about 5 years before we start main construction from our location to downtown Bridgeton proper. There is a few engineering hurdles to over, some river crossings to look at to rebuild bridges. From there, The yard we're hoping to within the next 2 years start under construction.
Excellent. Well, we'll be watching this with great interest to see the Bridgton and Saco River return. So that's just two of the things you can see at the Amherst Railway Society Hobby Show, happening January 24th and 25th, 2026. There you can see vendors, layouts, and a whole lot more. RailroadHobbyShow.com is their website. Thanks for watching.